Hello mga alamat! Welcome sa ating PSEI Market Overview video, no? Now, kung first time nyo itong mapanood or bago kayo dito sa channel, what we do here is we take a look at the index from a weekly tapos daily perspective. Okay? Now, normally, why we do this is para lang magkaroon tayo ng bigger picture view or bigger picture understanding sa nangyayari sa merkado. Now, this video will be slightly different kasi we will be shifting our focus a little bit habang hindi pa ganun kaganda ang market conditions natin. Now, what I want you to focus on is kung natitignan nyo dito sa chart, I'm gonna zoom in a bit, okay? Doon sa 2021 high ng 7475 at doon sa 2021 low ng 6080. Now, bakit ko pinopoint out yung mga areas na yon? Kasi, if you look at what's really been going on, nung 2022, makikita nyo, we tried to break above yung 2021 high and failed. We also tried to break below nung 2021 low. Succeeded briefly, pero nabawi agad. So in essence, for the duration of 2022 and now 2023, we have been trading within yung wider range ng 2021 na candle. Now, I'm not gonna show it in this video, but if you go to look at yung yearly chart natin, makikita nyo na right now, nasa loob tayo nung kandila na nag-form nung 2021. Okay? Now, bakit importante yon? Kasi hanggang hindi tayo nababasag either way, whether it's to the upside or to the downside, then from a broad perspective, we can say na nag-range pa rin tayo. And that's been going on for quite some time. Now, does that mean na dapat hindi tayo maging bullish or hindi tayo maging bearish? No. All it means is hanggang nasa loob tayo nung parameters na pinag-usapan natin, nasa loob tayo nung range na nag-form noon pa ng 2021. Now, based on all of that, meron tayong mga levels din dito sa chart, di ba? So, ano ibig sabihin nun? If price can come back and retake yung 6,740 na level after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 straight weeks na pulang kandila, no? If we can come back and retake yung 6,740, hindi ibig sabihin na dapat lilipad na tayo at mababasag natin yung 2021 at 2022 high. We need to temper our expectations, di ba? If we can retake yung 6,740, then ito yung magiging range natin. From 6,740 hanggang mga 7,2. Kung mabasag yung 7,2, then we can talk about the possibility na mabasag natin yung high na nag-form noong 2021-2022. At kung mabasag yon, then we can talk about yung possibility na mabalikan natin yung 2020 high. Now, the opposite is also true. Kung mabasag altogether tong 6,300 na level, then the next level na tinitignan natin is yung 2021 low na at 6,080. And if that gets taken out, yung low naman nung 2022 at 5,700. Now, the reason why I tend to look at things this way is because it tends to shape my expectations for what could come next. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pinipredict natin kung anong mangyayari sa merkado. Pero by now, a lot of you who watch these videos know na kahit mag-release yung company ng magandang earnings report, kahit mag-release yung company ng magandang balita, that does not necessarily mean na lilipad bigla yung presyo ng kumpanyang yon. Just because may nangyaring X or just because may nangyaring Y, it doesn't necessarily mean na ito na, to the moon na. So this helps me temper my expectations, parang ladder, one rung at a time. Para maging super bullish ako sa 2023, we need to at the very least take out yung 2021-2022 high, which is around 7.5. If that gets taken out, then I'm gonna be a lot more bullish because I know we've broken out from this wider range. But as long as we're stuck inside, the way I trade would also be affected by the bias na nasa loob pa tayo nung wider range na yon. And as we've done many times before, we also segmented that range para we can measure what's going from quote-unquote one level to the next. Okay? Now, let's go down to the daily time frame and let's see kung meron ba tayong makikita doon na hindi natin nakita dito sa weekly chart. Now, dito sa daily chart, makikita natin na mas maraming nuances na nabubuo. And that's perfectly natural, no? Syempre, the lower the time frame we go to, mas maraming ganap. Sa mga higher time frames, by and large, mas konti yung nangyayari. Okay? Now, pwede nating sabihin na hindi ba nag-form tayo ng napakalaking inverse head and shoulders, and in fact, this could still pull back down dito at magbuo pa rin tayo ng napakalaking inverse head and shoulders pattern. Diba? Some people would also argue na hindi ba ito na yung inverse head and shoulders pattern mo and then medyo nasira na siya, gumulo na ng konti? And in fact, if you really look at it, lalo na kung titigan nyo to ng matagal, you will probably see a lot of patterns potentially emerge. Hindi ba ito head and shoulders na yan? So ganito na. Hindi ba kapag ito parang rising wedge or something sa basag bababa? There will always be a lot of patterns to find kapag tutukan nyo yung charts long enough. Diba? But is that really the healthiest way to view things? For me personally, hindi. Bakit? Kasi kaya ako naglalagay ng mga levels sa chart ko. Kaya ako tinetemper yung expectations ko. Kasi alam ko na trader ako. I'm not an investor. I'm not looking to get into a stock and hold on to it for months and months and years on end. I want to get in and I want to get out within a reasonable amount of time. Diba? So, kapag ganito yung pagtingin ko sa chart, it helps me temper my expectations. Kunyari, nag-pullback tayo dito sa around 6.3, nag-hold yung support, nag-bounce tayo. I can look, ano ba ang piniplay natin dito? Bounce lang ba to? Is it gonna push higher? And if I happen to have a trade on hand na may position ako, na linalaro ko currently, then I try to shape my expectation around the bigger picture. Now, again, uulitin natin, no? All of these patterns are good, but they don't necessarily help. So, what's the best way to do it? For me, personally, and this is just me, okay? Again, kapag nabasag yung 6.3, what we're looking at is this range here. So that's a potential range that you can play for. Pwede nyo sabayan, paghanapan ng confluence for potential trades moving forward. Kapag mabasag yung 2021 low, this is the range that we'll be playing for. Now, everyone views ranges differently. May ibang mga groups or ibang mga clubs or ibang mga societies na sasabihin, hindi, dapat Fibonacci yung pagsukat ng ranges natin, ganito, ganyan, kesyo ganyan. May iba supply, demand, may iba support, resistance, and so on. And that's perfectly fine. Diba? As long as you have a tool or a metric to help keep you grounded. Wala akong sinasabing mas tama ang ganito or mas mali ang ganyan. All of these are tools to help us keep grounded. Para lang alam natin yung mga expectations natin going in and we don't overplay our hands, lalo na if you're a short-term trader. Now, kung kunwari naman price comes up, takes out yung 6.7, then ito yung range mag-open up from 6.7 papuntang mga 7.1, 7.2 na area. Diba? Pagka ganon, again, it's tempering my expectations. Hindi ko agad iniisip na from here babasagin na, nabasag yung 6.7, dapat mabalikan na kagad to. No. Kasi alam ko na may level na naghihintay dito. Alam ko na may resistance na naghihintay dyan. Now, right now, ano ba itsura ng chart natin? Are we bullish? Are we bearish? As I said kanina, 7 straight weeks tayong pulang kandila sa weekly chart. But again, from that broader perspective, we can see na we are still playing within the range ng 2021. We are in the lower end of that range. So, I think it's safe to say na medyo mas bearish tayo rather than bullish. But, para sa akin talaga, para maging outright bullish ako, maging outright bullish yung perspective ko, kailangan mabasag altogether yung 2021 at 2022 high. Para maging outright bearish, gusto ko ma-take out yung 2021 at 2022 low. As long as those two are holding, then in the wider picture, medyo ranging pa rin tayo. Now, does that mean na walang short-term trades na pwedeng i-take? Walang short-term bullishness or bearishness na pwedeng mag-glean? Syempre meron. Pero, depende na yon sa mga binabantayan ninyo. Okay? Hindi na yun yung goal natin para sa ganitong type of videos. Kailangan maging realistic tayo sa mga expectations natin. So, kunwari ako, feeling ko hindi maganda ang current market conditions. then I'm a lot less aggressive. I tend to take trades that are very, very conservative. Even if it means na meron akong days or weeks na wala akong kinukuhang trade. Okay lang sa akin yun. Okay lang yung maiwan, wag lang maipit. Okay? So guys, dito nagtatapos yung video natin, no? But if you haven't seen yung previous charting session video natin, be sure to check it out. I put a link to it on the lower left-hand side of your screen. So be sure to click it, check it out. And as always, good luck in all your trades, GT, over and out.